It is time. It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Dad, it's over the lightning round. Okay, so I'm going to start with Nick in New Jersey. Nick.
Jimmy Chill, what's up, brother?
Oh, man, not much cooking. How about you?
All right, not bad. Hey, tell me, should I be doubling down on Cisco before they report?
Well, I typically don't like to do that, but I do like Cisco's setup here. I like this WebEx. I like the fact, but you know what? I'm not going to play. I can't do that. You already have a position. Let's wait to see how they do. But I do think that there's a lot of things going right now. Let's go to Kenneth in Florida. Kenneth.
Booyah, Dr. Cramer.
Booyah.
I'm a Miami doctor. Love your show. Watch it nightly. Longtime Dolphin fan and curious about two stocks, but we'll only ask you about one of them.
Okay.
Weeks ago, a caller asked you about it. I bought some and doubled down after the May 4th FDA approval and last week's earnings report showing earnings and revenue beats, low debt and strengthened balance sheet, improved gross margins, in line 2020 guidance when 40% of companies don't even give guidance. The stock is Cerus, C-E-R-S.
Yeah, I think they're real. I mean, I agree with you, Doc. I think that they're a real company, and I know it's only a $5 stock, but it was a good quarter. So I'm with you. I'm going to stick with you. I think you stick with it. Let's go to Frank in New York. Frank.
Hey, Jim.
Frank.
I'm a longtime viewer of Mad Money, and I particularly appreciate the perspective and insight you give into the market, especially during these troubled times.
Thank you.
Having said that, I'd like to get your thoughts on the packaging company WestRock.
WestRock bit off more than it can chew. WestRock did not have a sense of the fact that there were many companies expanding capacity all at the same time, took down a lot of debt, and that's why they had to cut that dividend, and that was brutal. It was just a brutal situation. A lot of companies are cutting dividends. You don't want to be around any company cutting dividends. I am very worried about the banks having to cut their dividends, but WestRock, classic cyclical name, too much debt, eyes too big for their head. Let's go to Adam in New Jersey. Adam.
Hey, what's up, Jim?
How much? How are you, Adam?
I want to know if Uber is a buy right now. Is it too early?
You have to take a really, really long-term view on Uber. I really think everyone wants this thing to just turn and go to 45 again. That's not going to happen. But I do believe in them long-term, and I'm not doing, that's not like a hedge. I'm just saying it's just going to take a long time. Let's go to Jason in Virginia. Jason.
Hey, Jim. Long time, first time.
Yes.
Real quick, Jim, I do want to give a post-Mother's Day shout-out to all the moms out there who are working their hardest to get through these tough times, as well as to my wife, Kenny, for all the amazing work she does as the mother of our 3-year-old son, Landon.
I like that.
The stock I'm calling about, Jim, recently announced earnings with a 40% beat on earnings per share. They also affirmed 2020 earnings guidance and raised 2020 revenue guidance. And there are just not a lot of companies doing that this quarter. So Jim, with the approval of their key drug, Trikafta, expected in Europe later this year, and the company having a history of conservative earnings guidance, is now a good time for investors to be buying up the stock of Vertex Pharmaceuticals?
Well, Vertex is amazing. It's just an amazing company. It's the real deal for CF. I had put it in the bullpen for ActionAlertsPlus.com for my Travel Trust. I told club members we're going to pull the trigger. I got a big conference call on Thursday, and I never did. And it was my mistake. It is a good stock. Is it too late? I don't know. Hit an all-time high today, but I got to tell you, I think it goes higher. How about that? Let's go to Alan in Virginia. Alan.
Hey, Jim, how you doing? Booyah.
Booyah.
Thanks for taking my call today, Jim. First-time caller, long-time listener. Jim, I wanted to get your advice on this stock ticker. I've been following this healthcare stock ticker, HMSY.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, I remember we used to have a speculative thing at the street, and this stock is very right. I think it's a really good stock. I don't know why it's down. We had recommended it in the mid-20s, and it's still in the mid-20s, but I do like it very much. Let's go to Pete in Tennessee. Pete.
Hey, Jim, booyah from lovely Johnson City, Tennessee.
Holy cow, now you're talking. Yeah, wagon wheel, man.
Yeah, it's beautiful down here. Listen, I'm a psychiatrist, so I'm out of my what they call scope of practice here. Right. But I think I know some real game changers when I see them, and I'm really impressed with two agents from Mirati Therapeutics.
I am too. I am too. This is oncology. I like a lot of the oncology stocks, and this is a good one. We did some work on it, so I agree with you. And it may be on both of our Kens, but I think it's a good company. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.